Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're taking a quick look at the Home Hero 54-piece kitchen utensil set to see what it offers and whether it's a good addition to your kitchen. This all-in-one set includes 54 essential kitchen tools designed for cooking, baking, serving, and food preparation. Instead of buying utensils separately, you get everything neatly organized in one complete collection. The utensils feature stainless steel handles paired with heat-resistant silicone heads, making them durable and safe for non-stick cookware. The modern finish gives the set a clean, premium look that fits well in almost any kitchen. Whether you're stirring, flipping, whisking, serving, or baking, this set includes the tools you'll use most often. The included storage holder also keeps everything organized and within easy reach while cooking. Here are a few reasons why many home cooks choose this set. Complete 54-piece collection, durable stainless steel construction, heat-resistant silicone, safe for non-stick cookware, stylish countertop storage. Before you decide, keep in mind that the storage holder requires a little counter space, and depending on your cooking style, you may not use every utensil regularly. Overall, the Home Hero 54-piece kitchen utensil set offers a great combination of quality, convenience, and value. Whether you're setting up a new kitchen or replacing old utensils, it's a practical choice for everyday cooking. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.